Casey, holding and setting to Choco. Morgan well down, shot for three. Unable to connect, rebound. Baldapan. Aligi, susubok ng test. First point for Aligi, 17. 3 points. Ref reverse.
Kayo po. Hindi malamig. Okay ba?
Thank you, sister.
So, naghanap, nakita si Ayong Hyung.
Hindi mo pala bola ng bola. Magic, no? Magula tayo.
Foul on Hyung, pasay on.
Pasok na?
Ay, foul.
Wala na shoot, ha? Woodbridge pa lang yung nakapagod.
Baldapan, tumig, kumagal siya. Bigay, rebound, dahil Hyung at Hyung. Binigay kay Choco. Choco, bago sa Yodal. Binigay kay Chabrisi, palilalim siya. Hyung, good. Rebound, Woodbridge. Captain to the ball. Naghahanap ng papasahan. Long pass to Baldapan. To play. Fake jump. Sobra. Nothing but outside. Eto naman si Camille. Ang buwan niya. Bless mo na, bless mo na.
Hello. What's up?
Lebrino to Casey. Susubok ng press. Wala pa rin. Matuwal ang court ng Magic. Adlaw. Naghahanap. Nakita sa Baldapan. Sumugod sa loob. Binigay kay Fred. Nabitawan. Natapon na outside. Same possession.
13 to 0.
13 seconds to shoot. Time is running. Adlaw. Binigay kay Fred. Jordan. 5, 4. Now the three-point line. Number 3, Sean. Second team foul. Foul on Sean Calonzo. Second team. Apo. Hindi, ilang
Tatlo ba yan? Tatlo?
First shot, wala. Ano po tayo ng sound effects ulit?
Pasok.
Second shot, pasok.
Woodbridge 4.
4 points na Woody. Second shot is good. Ayaw pa sa program.
No count, no count.
4-0. Choco sa Chabrisi. Bagay ba yan daw? Nakuha ni Baldapan. Baldapan, susugod sa gitna. Binalik sa kamas, paligid. Heavy. Euro. Almost. Nasika ni siya. Nakuha ni Yodal. Naghahanap ng papasa. Nakita si Baldapan. Jump shot. 2 points for Baldapan.
Nakasupan namin. Red ball, red ball, red ball.
Substitution. Foul number 8. Am I correct? Number 8. Foul. Sayo.
Sabi niyo.
Ay, sa Baker.
Odal.
Odal, number 8. First personal. First team foul. Choco. Sean, foul number 3. And they will connect still. Fake. Nakita sa Garcia. Nakalubog na ang foul. Oh, number 23.
Sub.
Substitution.
Chiclet, first.
First personal, second team foul. Amoy sa lompas na naman ng court natin dahil kay Elmer. Garcia, Tito. First scorer ng Magic. Ngayon nandito na sa Elmer, dadami na ang score ng WD-40. Second shot is in. 3 points for Magic. Odal, binigay kay Kaligid, para kay Garcia, tatakan sa gilid. Kumekes, binigay sa labas. Adlaw, tagod sa gitnaan. Asokan, rebound tatakan. Another 2 points for Baldacan, number 11, making it 82. With 3 seconds remaining, foul on. Adlaw, 21. First personal foul on Adlaw, third team foul. Warning. Soho, kalaman. Nakita sa Garcia, nakatay. Pigi.
Defensive score mo.
Binyang. Garcia, hindi pumasok sa rebound ni Katie. Another foul on number 23. Warning for penalty. Woodbridge. 2 minutes, 50 seconds remaining. Ganda ng mga advice ni Kuya Elmer. 80, 1 point. May ma-earn ni tayo ng free water niya. Matik na yan. Second shot.
Time out.
Woodbridge.
Meron sa fourth quarter lang ang dalawa. Last 2 minutes.
Ano yung score mo first?
8-4.
Let's resume the ball game. Iinom pa lang sana ng tubig eh. Nakabukas pa lang ng tubig, wala. Game na agad. Jerome with the movement. Bubble T with his pinky finger out. Yan ang kabataan natin ngayon. Fancy with a little bit of tasty. Odal guarded by Garcia. Tatawa-tawa sila. Baldacan, hawak bola. Sumugot sa gitna. Bitin. Rebound, Choco. Choco nakita si Garcia. Another foul on. 21 now. Penalty.
Adlaw, dalawa.
Adlaw, second personal foul.
Kaya pag pumasok, time out kami Pag pumasok yung second.
First shot. Second shot. No good. Rebound, Baldacan. Kuha ni Adlaw. Diretso. Binigay ni Adlaw. Warning for 2. Ang bilis ng galawan. Elmer. Hindi magpapatalo sa bilis. Binigay sa labas. Safety. Choco. Katie. Bumamit na kamay. 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. And that is it for the first quarter of the game.
Nalalahan ko.
Eto na.
Nalalahan ko. Si Barry ang nagsasabi.
Ay. Choco. Pumugod. Choco. Offensive ball. On Choco. Negrito. First.
Personal lang. Personal lang siya. Hindi sa team. Hindi sa team foul.
Foul number 15. 15 or 14?
18.
15. Oh, 15.
Outbreaks na na.
One.
Shoot shot!
Let's go, Woodbridge.
Pasok.
Hindi. Wala.
First pumasok.
Wala.
Second set for Sean. No good. Rebound. Garcia. Nakita kasi. Pero natawa na kayo. Long pass. Susunod kayo ng press. Hindi kayo nakuha. Rebound Choco. Taking si Newton. Pinasakay Garcia ng taon. Woodbridge ball. Sa wala na. Dito kayo sa tabilan.
Okay dyan.
Upo kayo. Pag-isipan niyo ang mga desisyon. Adlaw, setting, jumping. Nabitin, rebound. 42 holding.
Foul, second team foul na sila.
Hawakan niyo ang isa't isa.
Offensive ba tayo?
Offensive.
Sila pala may home. Sila may home. Nakainom na ba? Ito pala may ito sa bawah. Let's go!
Ayaw ko na raw marinig bars kaya ganyan.
Ilan na pala na kanina to? Ilan na tayo ng 21?
USBC charger.
What, counted?
Counted. Sean. Bakit counted?
Hindi, to shoot. To shoot?
Yeah, the bucket was fine.
Counted.
And on transition, we got him on the arm. And number 15.
Nanawagan sa mga USDC Charger.
Discuss sila. Mag-discuss.
So, ika-cancel to.
Dapat ganito pa po yan.
Diba?
Kasi referees ano.
Yung time, i-stop mo.
For me, alam mo kung ano yung
Basket count?
pinol na namin.
Count down.
Count to, kuya.
One shot.
Confirm yung daling din sa ibang committee kung dapat
Yeah. I added already.
added na kuya, added.
I added already.
Yeah, dalawa.
Inad ko na.
Basket counts? Basket counts?
Yep.
Yeah.
During transition on the layout, there was a foul as well.
Okay, but it was number 3 who took
It's
the
number
shot.
15. Oh,
But
well,
number
who-
8 is on the
He
free
took
throw.
the shot, number 15 was the foul, he fouled.
But it's number 8 who's on the free throw. So wouldn't be number 3 taking the free throw. Oh. Yeah, that's what was gonna say.
No, but number 2 he did. Did he hand off then? The ball? Okay. I was supposed to high five. Thank you. Okay, don't be shut over.
So, kinount ko na kuya.
What happened?
So score natin Magic 14. Tama?
No basket. Thank you. No basket daw kuya.
No basket.
No basket?
Okay, no basket.
Basket does not count. Justice prevails. Ayan. Iisip si Ryan. Librios, Turod, Nabitin. First personal foul, first team foul. Foul on number 14, Anjon Masijón. Two personal fouls on Anjon Malakay. Two team fouls. Stopping. 1 minute 10 seconds remaining. Uy! Nagsasa. We are at 13 fouls. Tumabot na ang Magic. 18. At naman is 17. Libre-libre ang Mahuti. Ang tapon. Still by time. Foul number 15. Bumayon. Third personal foul. 13 foul, warning for penalty. 20 seconds remaining. Upo na kayo.
Kuya, pag may shoot time out.
Wala na, pero.
Time out pag may shoot.
Wala na 8 seconds.
Okay lang. Hindi, ganyan yun.
Elmer. Pasok. Time out. That game for second and first half.
Number 17, Woodbridge.
Third personal foul. First team foul. First basket in, number 17.
Second shot.
Ang tawag yung outside lang?
Number 14.
1-4.
Anyong fourth personal foul. Substitution, Garcia in. 2-3 foul. First shot is good.
Get the last ball there. Pasok, isa, pasok.
2-2.
Dalawa, pasok, dalawa.
Woodbridge 19, yeah?
Shot, matapon, tingnan. Kay Katie, hindi na rin matapon ngayon. Tapos na si Garcia, pero natapon rin. Banda dribbling, hindi tayo sa gitna. Walang makabantay. Kaibigan, Gabriel, kay Katie.
Pasok, Chubbs. Chubbs, foul, Chubbs.
Two personal fouls, Chad Breezy.
Chubbs, counted. Nag-discuss na sila. Discussion pa sila. Huwag mo nalagay, huwag mo nalagay. Knockout.
No count on the basket. Woodbridge.
Chubbs, seconds to shoot,
12 seconds to shoot. Upo po tayo sa giliran. Upo po tayo. Ano si Jake? Jake? Upo tayo.
Six, five, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Foul number 11, Baldacan.
16-19. Tama. Second team foul Woodbridge, ha?
Woodbridge, second team foul. Garcia, no good. Nakuha, Lizana, reset, Isogo. Sogo, back to shot. Stand sa gitna, Ubali. No good, balik kay Elmer. Isugo, Tarim. Marap. Rebound, Paligid, no pass. Yeah, just sit somewhere.
Time out.
And then go out. Marami po tayo upuan.
Sampo, next dead ball.
Next Woodbridge ball. Adlaw. Ang prepare sa Aldi. Penalty po tayo. First personal foul, penalty on Magic. 1 minute 35 seconds remaining in third quarter of the game. Next fight, mag-warm up ang Alliance against Gunners. Mag-ready na po kayo. Warm up game. Against Gunners.
Wala.
Good. Elmer, Pedrero, 80, 3 points. We are now 18-19. Piso naman ng Woodbridge. 35 seconds remaining. Another foul on Garcia, number 8. Penalty shots again. Paalala lang, huwag tayo magpainitan ng ulo. Because at the end of the day, alam nyo kung sino ang panalo. Yung talo. Si Katie, binahe pa naman ng 30 minutes. 80 miles per hour in the service. At now, Piso. Another Piso para sa puso. Good rebound, defense. Good ball, rebound ni Elmer. Napasabit. Wala sumabit. Katie, no. Okay lang naman. 8 seconds. 8 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Kalini for 3 double. Rebound for allowing by Japan. Gusto nila ka sila naman ang lamang.
Nirep kanina.
Katie, here we go. Tumulong sa gitna, ha? Nabigay kay Elmer. Elmer, Pichomor, for number 3. No good. Basket number 17.
Shooting foul na.
Chops! 6!
23 seconds. Thank you, thank you.
Garcia! Oh, Chad substitution.
24 Magic.
Magic 34, Woodbridge 32. Ito ang pinakamataas na lead ng Magic.
Salamat, pre.
Adlaw. Sa gitna, ang jump pass. Net, Rodal for 3. 3 points for Adlaw. Garcia. 2 points for Garcia. Dikit-dikit. Foul on Adlaw, offensive.
Apat na yun ha. Apat.
Offensive foul. Fourth personal foul for Adlaw. 14
Good.
shots.
Dahil na nag-press, no?
Yung naka-headband.
Katie. Coco, pass to Katie. For 2. Ang galing ng Porter 13. Adlaw. Naghahanap. 28-35. Alilin for 3. May design ang punta. Retain. Flex. Bitawan. Elmer. To Garcia. Garcia sumunod. Paso Katie. Tasabi. Still by Alilin. Adlaw. Guarded by Garcia. Diretso. Back to Adlaw. Pass to 15. Guarded by Elmer. Number 8, Pusher. Odal. Second personal foul, third team foul. Substitution. Anim kayo dyan.
Tatlo na yung Woodbridge pa.
Ilan pa ako? Wala pa dito.
Charles. Guarded by Dilaw. Outside. Only 60 seconds remaining.
Red ball.
Red ball. Nagpe-press po ang Magic. Adlaw. Nakita si Kalibin. Back to Adlaw. Paribasan. Tumalibin to Dilaw. Outside. Again.
Black ball.
Magic.
Violation.
Nagmamagic na naman ang Magic. Coco with the ball to Garcia. Susunod. Violation. Penalty na po ang Sable. 14 to shoot.
Wala.
Red or now. Jump shot. 2 points. Increasing the lead.
Double.
3 minutes, 40 seconds remaining. 30-28. Lamang Woodbridge na naman. Tigil. Batakan. Ang bola, Dikit na dikit ang laban. Hadapan. Marvin Garcia. Backcourt. Back position. Timeout. Woodbridge. 2 minutes, 30 seconds remaining. In the last quarter, 28 Magic, Woodbridge 30. Casey, the ball to Emmer. Emmer, foul on. Number 11, Baldapan.
Ilang pound doon ang Woodbridge?
Third foul.
Apat.
Fourth in the line. One more penalty on Woodbridge. Terence, bitin na muna. Kuya Ricky, mag-reset na. Two minutes, stop time na pa tayo. Terence, second shot, no good pa rin. Rebound ni Somo. Nakuha. Ball goes to Magic. Pinasa kayo dahil. Ayan, now. 17 for 2. Garcia with the rebound, diretso, para Jordan. 2 points. Agad na. Agad na. 30 goals. Ang perfect na margin. Nagkakailan, Baldapan, diretso, shoot. 4-2, Baldapan. One move of Woodbridge. Babawi. Dalawa na ang lamang. 1 minute 15 seconds remaining. Sean Beatty. Pass to Garcia. Jump shot. Bitin. Baldapan. Fall down. Fall down. Edal. Fall down. Nagahan ng Bakante. Kepensi Ayadal. No good. Outside. Foul position.
Sinong foul? Foul ba yun? O?
Wala.
8 seconds.